What psychological biases affect GED practice tests? Imagine walking into a practice test feeling confident or maybe a little nervous. Did your mind just play tricks on you? Psychological biases can shape how you approach these tests and how well you perform. Understanding these mental shortcuts can help you study smarter and avoid common pitfalls. One bias to watch out for is confirmation bias. This happens when you focus only on questions or topics you already feel good about. You might ignore subjects where you struggle, which leaves gaps in your knowledge. For example, if you think math is easy, you might skip practicing algebra or geometry, and that can hurt your score later. To fix this, make sure to practice all subjects equally, even the ones you find tough. Overconfidence bias is another common issue. If you do well on a few practice questions, you might believe you're ready for the real test. But that can lead you to skip reviewing mistakes or not studying enough. Remember, even if you do well early on, keep practicing and reviewing all areas. Take full-length practice tests and go over every answer, especially the wrong ones. Anchoring bias is when your first impression influences your entire test approach. If you find a question hard at first, you might carry that feeling into the next questions, feeling less confident. To avoid this, treat each question as a new challenge and stay steady. Don't let one tough question shake your confidence or speed. The recency effect makes you remember the last questions you saw better than earlier ones. This can cause you to focus too much on recent topics and forget earlier material. To prevent this, review older questions regularly and use spaced repetition to keep everything fresh in your mind. Stereotype threat is a psychological pressure that can make some test takers feel anxious because of negative stereotypes about their group. This anxiety can hurt focus and performance. To combat this, practice relaxation techniques and simulate test conditions to build confidence before the real exam. Test anxiety and stress can also distort your perception. When you feel anxious, you might rush or make careless mistakes. Practicing calm breathing and taking timed practice tests can help you stay relaxed and focused. Hindsight bias is when you look back at a practice test and think you knew all the answers. This can make you underestimate the difficulty of the test and skip studying some topics. Be honest with yourself about what you really know and review all questions thoroughly. By recognizing these biases, you can adjust your study habits. Practice all subjects, review mistakes carefully, and stay calm during your tests. This way, your practice tests become a true tool for your success.